Successful manufacturing companies focus on increasing production while lowering costs, and waste has been viewed as purely a cost of doing business. But as pressures for waste reduction make it necessary to focus on sustainability, the utility of waste management has turned into a complicated operation. Managing multiple complex waste streams stemming from production lines, disposal protocol, and day-to-day facilities waste leads to overextended on-site and sustainability managers and thinly stretched resources. The solution is found in a data-driven recycling and waste program. The solution is Keter. With real-time, auditable, and actionable insights, you can turn waste stream management into a source of operational efficiency and achieve your sustainability goals. Keter uses state-of-the-art equipment, IoT devices, and advanced tracking to keep an eye on and manage every waste stream. With a national footprint, we bring our dedicated and reliable expertise and resources to eliminate service interruptions. Turn your recycling and waste program into a path towards attaining new levels of operational efficiency. Achieve more and waste less with Keter.